A very warm greetings to everyone. This is Suhasini, his Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, RMD Engineering College. In this lecture, we'll discuss about the subject Software Development Practice. And the topic which is being discussed in this lecture is CSS and its types of CSS. So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. So previously we have seen HTML where we can also do styling, and here we have something like for it is designed for the purpose of giving styles to our page. So the CSS includes the change of color, the font and the size of the text and the spacing you can have, where your elements wants to be positioned and where you want to build that. If you want to create a background image for your web page and you want to change the background color and you want to divide your page into different frames, everything can be possible. And you can also make, depends upon your the application also, the media also, you can design your web pages. So this is how the cascading style sheet is introduced, and we have three different types of cascading style sheets. One is inline CSS, internal CSS and external CSS. So inline CSS may be used to apply a unique style for a single element. So what is that is, this is being done within a tag. Okay, if there is a paragraph tag and within a tag if you want to create a styling, and that is possible. How you can create that inline styling? With the help of an attribute called style attribute. Using the style attribute you can give the styling inside the tag itself. Okay, so now the style attribute can contain any CSS property, which means we can see the syntax here. So any HTML tag here, and this is the attribute style is equal to some property. This can be a BG color and the color name. Here it can be a font size and the size of the font, and then you can close the particular tag. So within a tag you're creating a style, and this is called the inline styling. We'll see the example. So this is the example. So we have doc type HTML, which is like it is arrived when the HTML file has been introduced. So without this also it is possible. This doc type is mainly used to give the version of the HTML. So I am opening my HTML body. Inside the body itself, I am having H1 tag and P tag. I am creating some heading and I am creating some paragraph. So the heading includes that this is a heading. So how this is a heading text has to be printed. This has to be printed in blue color, as well as this has to be aligned in the center. So I am giving some styling here, right? So this styling has been given only inside the tag called H1. So this type is called as the inline CSS. So similarly we have a styling inside the paragraph tag also. So color is equal to red. So this is a paragraph text will be printed in red color. So this is how your inline styling will go. So next is your internal style. So an internal style should contain one single HTML page as a unique style. So this is like with the help of a style tag. Okay, we have a separate element. We'll define a separate tag for style. In inline we have used inside a tag. Now we are going to create a separate style tag inside the header part. So how it looks? So here we have your doc type HTML. So here you can see, right, the highlighted part. So I am creating inside the head a style. So inside that body, which means this is a keyword where you want to apply this particular styling. So when I give body and curly braces inside that background color linen, so where the entire body color will be changed as linen. So now I have a keyword of H1. So H1, wherever the tag H1 is present inside the body, the particular styling will get applied. So the H1 is color is equal to maroon and the margin hyphen left is 40 pixel. So this is a part of alignment part. So I want my H1 text. Okay. So the text which is present inside the H1 tag here will be printed as maroon color, and it will be aligned in the margins to left with the 40 pixel size. So this is how your internal styling will happen. So when when you create same style inside the tag which is present inside the body, that is inline, when you don't want to disturb the styling part in the body, then you can also use inside the header part with the help of the style tag. Okay, so next we'll see the external styling. External styling is nothing but I'm not going to include any styling inside my main HTML. So instead I can write the styling part in a separate file and I can store it with the extension of .css. So how we are going to link it that? So link rel is equal to style sheet. Href is equal to mystyle.css. So this is the particular file where I am going to have my styling concept. So with the help of the link tag, you will be linking that particular external file. So this thing also should be present inside the heading. So body h1 paragraph body html. So where is my CSS file is? This is my CSS file. So body background hyphen light blue, h1 color is equal to navy, margin hyphen left is equal to 20 pixel. This styling will be saved with the extension of .css, and I am calling that particular mystyle.css here in the main program. This is how the external style will go. These are so inline within the tag present inside the body and outside the body, but within the HTML code, that is internal. When you are going to use the CSS concept from outside the HTML file, that is external style. Thank you.